It's that time. It's that time. We are headed to Canyon Raceway. First time on the track. We're excited. I'm so freaking pumped. First time on a track. Tanner, how about you, dude?
I'm pumped too.
You're pumped?
Yeah.
Yeah, everything's loaded. On our way. It's gonna be a fun day. Fun day. I'm so excited. Mom's not very excited.
I can't wait to go ride either.
Yeah, but we're excited to share it with you, so stay tuned.
It's pretty lit.
Are you ready?
Always ready. I'm excited you guys are here.
Those kids right there, they're like, there's Clintus.
Is it fun though?
Those whoop things, yeah.
Bike.
This is my old bike. This is what I used to ride. This is what I used to race here at Canyon. It's 1990.
You got it working? Waste of footage, Dad. Hope you have fun editing this. So what you get for waking up me so early, right, Dad, Mom?
What?
That's what Dad gets for waking us up so early.
Yes.
A waste of footage.
Wait, yep. Have fun editing this, Michael.
Alright, we're gonna head out to the main track for the first time here. See how crappy I do. Should be fun. Hi. Big one. I graduated to the big boy track. I will. Wish me luck. Alright, here we go. Head to the main track for the first time. Just waiting here. Yeah, I think I'll go in the far back here. Let these guys go.
think that's a little bit too advanced for me. Oh yeah. That was way more intense than I thought.
Legit, huh?
Holy smokes.
Yeah. They changed it up too. Like every big rainstorm, they take advantage of the mud and they re-plow it. So like the downstairs, there used to be a whoop section. Now it's like 2 doubles.
It's a little bit too technical for me, I think.
It's, yeah. I'm there with you. I'm trying to hit some jumps. I'm trying to push myself, and for some reason my bike's pulling to the right. I don't know, holding on too hard and pulling it. Like,
Right.
But I went up that back, the last hilltop down low, and did one of these going. fast and went really too high and freaking slammed down.
At least you didn't crash. Next track, where are we going?
ACP.
That's cool. At least your friend came out.
Yeah.
Had a good time. Ready to pack it up, go watch the Cardinals game?
Yeah, I'm excited.
We gotta get Dad off the track though.
Packing up. Ready to go? I am.
Watch the Cardinals game.
Yep.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. We had a lot of fun out at Canyon motocross track. It was a blast, and also we want to give a shout out to Ryan, who was out there with us. He gave us a lot of pointers on the track, telling us all the different things about it, the vet track, the main track, and he was a really cool dude, and we just want to thank you if you're watching this video. And for everyone else, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below, and thanks for watching.
Wait, no, we're not done yet. We're going to, where are we going?
ACP pretty soon.
Okay, we're going to go on October 9th. I believe it starts at 8 o'clock in the morning till 2 in the afternoon. So in 2 weeks, we're going to hit that track and hopefully better our skills. It was fun though. We had a great time. Awesome time.
Yep.
Yeah. See you next time.
See you next time, guys.